You listed your home 3 weeks ago. The photos look great. The price feels right, but your agent keeps calling with an update saying no new showings, no offers. That's the moment most sellers start to second guess everything. The price, the agent, the timing. But before you make any big moves, you need to understand what is actually going on. A few years ago, this wasn't a conversation most sellers had to have. Homes were selling in days with multiple offers, and the market has shifted. Over half the listings now are sitting for 60 days or more without going under contract. Buyers have more options, they're taking their time, and they're pickier about what they're willing to pay for. That doesn't mean your home can't sell. Okay. It just means that the homes that are priced right, show well, and are marketed are the ones that get the attention. It's a beauty contest. So if yours isn't, here's how to figure out what's going on and what to fix. If you're getting showings but no offers, it's probably the price. Okay. This is the clearest signal that there is. Buyers are coming through the door, which means the marketing is working and the location is right, but nobody's writing an offer. That usually means that they're seeing other homes in the same price point that give them more, and yours isn't winning in comparison. And in today's market, well-priced homes are selling in 63 days right now or less, and overpriced homes are selling in about 121. Buyers aren't negotiating anymore, and so if the price feels off, they're just moving on. That means a meaningful price adjustment, not like a $2,000 adjustment, but a real repositioning and reassessment of the price can put you in a completely new pool of buyers who weren't seeing your home before. If you're not getting showings, buyers aren't finding you, or what they see isn't pulling them in. If your home isn't getting foot traffic, one of two things is happening right now. Either you're priced outside of the range where buyers are searching, so they're never even seeing your listing, or your photos and online presentation aren't compelling enough to have someone want to book a showing. The first place buyers evaluate your home is online, and if the photos are dark, cluttered, or don't show the home at its best, they're going to just keep scrolling right past. And this is where refreshing your photos, improving your staging, updating your listing description can make a real difference. This is something our team is scrolling through with our listings every single week, looking at what needs to change. Sometimes a home just needs a relaunch with better visuals, and that will change the buyer interest entirely. Sometimes it's even as simple as rearranging which photo is the first 5 can make a huge difference too. Here's the deal. If you've tried everything and it's still not moving, it might be time for a reset. If you've adjusted the price in a pretty significant way, you've improved the presentation and you're still not getting traction, pulling the listing off the market for 31 days in our market will reset your days on market and could actually be a legitimate strategy. If you do it under 31 days, you're not going to get as big of an impact, just FYI. And when you relist, your days on market reset and new buyer alerts fire out. And the market sees a fresh listing instead of one that's been sitting for 90 days. And you can use that time to make updates, get new photos, come back with a better price and presentation that's dialed in from day one. And I like to think of this as not giving up. It's a strategic reset to attract a different buyer pool that may not be seeing your property already. So if your home has been sitting and you're not sure what to do next, let's talk with our team. We'll pull the latest comps, review your listing, and tell you exactly what we think is happening and what we can do about it. Give us a call, shoot us an email anytime, and we'll put together a game plan for your specific situation.